Is Say Crypto a must have altcoin here this year in 2024? That's what we're going to talk about in this video. We're also going to give you a background a little bit on what Say Crypto is. It is a new layer one that had an amazing run in the final quarter of 2023 rather, and already off to a great start in 2024. So we're going to talk about all of the things related to Say in this video. They even have a meme coin that we're going to highlight. Yeah, this is pretty crazy. This ecosystem is definitely growing. It has emerged as a top crypto for sure, and one to watch here in 2024. So all I ask is you hit that like button, subscribe down below, and we're going to dive into it. Say has been trending for quite some time here. On the charts, we can take a look at Say right now, sitting at 71 cents. We're sitting at a $1.6 billion market cap. But if you look at the all chart here, Say, which is a relatively new chain, we can see here it hit its all-time high 6 days ago, where it almost got to 90 cents, 87 and a half cents. We're about 17% off of that number right now. Say, of course, this will be its first bull market coming up in this trend, which you can make the argument it's already experiencing one right now. But we're looking at cryptos that could potentially be must-haves in 2024. And I like looking at cryptos that have yet to experience a bull run, right? We've talked about Caspa here a lot on the channel, talked about them when they were first like 3.5, 4 cents. I really like that one still long-term here. And you're looking at a couple other, new layer ones. Injective is another one that comes to mind. Say is right in there in the mix, okay? Now, let me take you over here because Say has had an amazing journey already here. And this is their page over on X. They call themselves the fastest layer one, and it's paralyzing the EVM. We're going to talk about why EVM compatibility is such a big deal as we enter into 2024 as well. But they are looking to be a fast layer one, potentially the fastest layer one out there. So, if we take a look at successful transactions per second in December, Say is still behind Solana, but it is number two, which is very interesting to note, right? So Solana has become the main player when we talk about TPS, transactions per second. Solana is kind of head over heels better than anything out there. It's not to say that Say can't gain ground, and it's also not to say that Say is bad in this category at all. They're already right there. If we look at just December statistics, it is way above popular chains like Ethereum, Aptos, Arbitrum, Avalanche, Near Protocol, Polygon, BSC, a lot of great projects there. But Say has already had more successful transactions per second in December. Again, just second to Solana there on that chart there. So if we take a look at just the community itself too, tons of community engagement over these past few weeks, a ton. I looked at some of the metrics that kind of highlight community engagement, and then we're going to go into exactly what's going on with Say, what the tech is here in just a second. So stick with us. But the community itself, you have to have a strong community in crypto in order to have a ton of success, right? And without a strong community, you just simply can't sustain longevity and growth. But we're looking at Say as having everything it needs, right, in order to be successful here. And Say is definitely one of those latest crypto favorites. They even have a meme coin. Yeah, check this out. They even have a meme coin that is called Sayon, which is leading the bets right now. It recently gained 400% in the past week, which is insane. And the rise in popularity of EVM compliant blockchains, which Say is, so we're going back to just the overall chain, and the parallelization process is driving the growth of Say Network's native token. Okay. The network itself launched in August of 2023. It's trading focused blockchain backed by prominent investors and designed for speed, low fees, and other features that support trading applications. So the hope is that decentralized finance continues to get bigger, even amidst regulation, right? And I do think it will. Where it will be regulated, I don't know, but I do think DeFi is new. It's still going to get drastically bigger, right? On-chain metrics for the network are heating up with the growth of ecosystem plays like this meme coin and Sailor tokens and an increase in, say, futures open interest, indicating mounting interest in the overall network as a whole. Now, this whole EVM narrative is a huge reason why people love Say Networks, Say Token, right? And EVM, short for Ethereum Virtual Machine, is a virtual computer where all smart contracts and Ethereum applications are deployed. An EVM compliant blockchain is yet another network that can run such applications. And this idea of parallelization is a relatively new blockchain process that helps settle multiple transactions at the same time. So that is why they were able to have, so much success and why they're touting themselves as one of the fastest layer ones out there and why this community is just really getting behind. Now, again, Say Network launched in August as a trading focused blockchain backed by prominent investors, Jump Crypto and Multicoin Capital. It was designed with a focus on speed, low fees, and other features tuned to support certain kinds of trading apps. They recently reached a $400 million market cap within the first 24 hours. And as we mentioned, now they're sitting at a $1.6 billion market cap, and their eyes right now are set on a dollar. I do think that's going to happen here as some of the capital eventually rotates back into altcoins. But Say has been going against the grain, guys. It has been, really dominating here over the past few weeks. Data shows that on-chain metrics are rapidly heating up for Say, favoring bullish bets on the ecosystem as a whole. Meme coin Saiyan, apparently a cult term for Say holders, has gained 400,000 in the past week. Let me know if I'm saying that wrong. I think it's Saiyan, right? Saiyan? Let me know if I'm pronouncing that wrong. Just still learning about the ecosystem, of course, but wanted to make people aware here on YouTube. So as of Tuesday, this was last week, there's just over 5.5 million locked in Say-based dApps, which is pretty crazy for a new chain that just launched in August. Pretty crazy what has happened here on a very, very new blockchain, new layer one. Very much looking forward to kind of seeing how this thing plays out. And we're taking a look at the price action here today, up about 3%. In the last week, we're actually down a little bit, but in the last month, 159% moves to the upside, guys. The volume is there, which I love. They're actually ranked number 12 in volume, okay, but ranked number 46 by market cap. This is really big and absolutely awesome to see because this shows us that the volume is much higher than where it should be. People are very interested in this ecosystem right now, and I'm going to continue to watch this for sure. May even open up a position. I just have to find some capital here. Might have to rotate around here as I learn more about Say. Let me know down below if you guys think I should open up a new position in Say. Let me know what you're feeling about this. Are you already invested? Is it something that you're looking at? I'm really interested to hear from each and every one of you down below. And if you're new to this channel, welcome in. Hopefully you subscribe down below. We'll see you in the next video. Take care.